Hello friends, we now solve question number 8 and 9 of exercise 4.3. Okay, the question number 8 is that a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Okay, let speed of the train equal x km per hour. Okay, now time taken to cover 360 km equal 360 by x hours. Okay, if speed had been 5 km per hour more, then time taken to cover 360 will be 360 by x plus 5 hours. Now this time is 1 hour less than this time. Okay, so according to question, 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 will be 1, or 360 common minus 1 by x plus 5 equal 1, or 360 into x plus 5, x plus 5 minus x equal 1, x काट जाएगी, x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x इक्वल 1, और x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x इक्वल x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x minus 1 and 0 0 equal 0. Now sign of x square positive and sign of constant of negative, so we have to take one positive term and one negative term to get the middle term. Okay, now coefficient of x square 1 and constant term 1 and 0 0. Okay, now if we multiply this by 10, then we have to divide this by 10, so this will be 180. Now if we multiply this by 4, then this will be 40, then we have to divide this by 4, then it will be 45. So we rewrite this as 0, or x common 40 minus 40 plus 45 equal 0, x plus 45, x minus 40 equal 0, or x plus 45 equal 0, or x minus 40 equal 0, or x will be minus 45, or x equal 40. Since can't be negative, so speed of the train will be 40 km per hour. This is question number 9. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9⁻³ by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay, let time taken by a smaller tap equal x hour. Okay, time taken by larger tap will be x minus 10 hours. Okay, now part of tank filled by smaller tap in 1 hour equal 1 by x. Part of tank filled by larger tap in 1 hour equal 1 by x minus 10. Part of tank filled by both tap in 1 hour equal 1 by 8 ratio 3 by 8, so 8 by 9 into 8, 72 plus 75. Okay, so according to question, 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 will be 8 by 75. Okay, or x minus 10 plus x equal 8 by 75, or 2x minus 10 into 75 equal x square minus 10x 8, or 8x square minus 80x equal, okay, or 8x square minus 8x minus 150x plus 0, or 8x square minus 230x plus 750 equals 0. Now sign of x equal positive and sign of constant term positive, so we have to take two negative term to obtain the middle term. Okay, now coefficient of x square 8 into constant term 7. Okay, now if we multiply this by 25, then this will be 200, so we have to divide this by 25, so this will be 30. So we rewrite this equation: 8x square minus 200x minus 30x plus 750 equals 0, or 8x x minus 25 plus 30 x minus 25 equals 0, or 8x minus 30 and x minus 25 equals 0, or 8x minus 30 equals 0, or x minus 25 equals 0, or x equal 30 by 8 equal 375, or x equal 25. Okay, now if x equal 7.35, then time taken by larger tab will be negative, which can't be possible. Okay, therefore time taken by smaller tab and larger tab will be 25 hours, and 25 minus 10 equal 15 hours respectively. Thank you.